Abraham Lincoln under fire, IRGC claims ballistic missile strike on U.S. carrier group. The high seas have become a scorched battleground as Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, IRGC, claims to have struck the nuclear-powered AS Abraham Lincoln. In a defiant statement released on Sunday, March 1, 2026, the IRGC announced that 4 ballistic missiles were launched as part of Operation True Promise 4. The communique warned that the land and sea will become a graveyard for terrorist aggressors, following the US-Israeli assassination of Supreme Leader Khamenei. This unprecedented claim marks the most significant direct challenge to American naval dominance in the Persian Gulf since the start of the 2026 conflict. However, U.S. Central Command (CENTCOM) has issued a blistering denial, branding the Iranian reports as a lie designed to fuel domestic propaganda. CENTCOM officials insist the missiles did not come close to the carrier and that the Lincoln continues to launch F-35 stealth fighters for ongoing operations. While the status of the Lincoln remains a point of information warfare, the Pentagon has confirmed the first American combat deaths of this new campaign. Three U.S. military members were killed and 5 seriously wounded during a separate Iranian operation, marking a grim milestone in the Epic Fury offensive. The fog of war thickens as maritime agencies report that at least 2 other commercial vessels have been hit in the strategic Strait of Hormuz today. One ship was reportedly struck off the coast of Oman, while another was targeted near the UAE, as Iran's ghost drones hunt for coalition-linked assets. The US Gerald R. Ford remains positioned off the coast of Israel as a defensive shield, but the attack on the Lincoln shows Iran's sword is still sharp. Military analysts warn that the IRGC is moving into a new phase of total war, using swarming tactics and long-range precision strikes to bypass Aegis defenses. As the red flag of revenge ripples across the region, the threat to nuclear-powered assets has pushed global oil and insurance markets into a state of pure panic. The sound of explosions near Riyadh and Abu Dhabi confirms that no corner of the Gulf is safe from the fallout of this escalating naval confrontation. The world now waits to see if President Trump will follow through on his threat to unleash force never seen before in response to these strikes on US assets. With both sides locked in a cycle of lethal retaliation, the D-Day for a full-scale maritime collapse in the Middle East appears to have finally arrived. If you found this news useful, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay connected for more timely stock market news and company updates.